Well, we're out here, my derby car. Used this a couple years ago at Rochester Fair. She took a beating. As you can see the axle's fucking destroyed. With a hub, bolts to the strut. I got that new part. I just gotta tear this all apart, replace that. Probably fucking hold the brake line. Probably gonna need a new battery. She took a hard hit, but she still has a lot of fucking ass left to keep fucking pounding and pounding. I might take the gas tank out, put her in the back. But after I get all that done, I'm gonna repaint her. I don't know if I'll replace this side. It's not broken, but you know, the way it is in derbies, everybody goes for your fucking front end, so probably better off to replace that.